Most people use ChatGPT completely wrong. They open a new chat every time they ask something and they lose hours because of it. Let me show you one simple trick that will literally save you from re explaining the same thing again and again. I have seen this everywhere around myself as well. My friends learning Python, employees in MNCs, developers who debug code, even people who ask for relationship advice from ChatGPT. Every single time they open a new chat, they want to learn Python, they open new chat. They ask about variables, they open a new chat. They go to the next topic, they open a new chat. They ask for the relationship advice, they open a new chat. Every single time they open a new chat for the same subject. And this is the worst possible way to use ChatGPT. Why it's wrong? When your questions are about one subject, you should always stay in one conversation. That way, ChatGPT understands what you are learning, what's your level, what's your goals, previous questions, what you were stuck on. But when you open new chat again and again, you force ChatGPT to start from zero. No context, no memory, no history. And here is the real problem. When a ChatGPT chat gets too long, ChatGPT starts lagging. It gives slow replies, stuck processing, or something went wrong. Then you are forced to open a new chat, right? And boom, all your context that you had given in the one chat, it is gone. And you have to explain everything from scratch in the new chat, right? So here is a simple trick that save hours. And these are the exact two prompts I personally use every day. What you have to do is, for an example, if you are learning Python, you should always use one chat window for every topic or every problem you are facing. You should discuss it only in this chat. Okay. And if this one gets too long, you can use the prompts that I am giving you and open a new chat. Okay. Another example is you are discussing something personal or something related to your relationships or friendships or anything else. Always use one chat. Okay. Always use one chat. If it gets too long, you can use the prompts that I am giving you and then open a new chat. This will uh, what this will do? This will give the full context of this chat into the new chat so that you don't have to explain everything again. Okay? So, this is a very basic, simple trick that can save a lot of your time. These two prompts have saved me so much time whenever I move from one chat GPT chat to another. The first one is a shorter version. Summarize this entire conversation into a single detailed system prompt that I can paste into a new chat. Include the full context, my goals, what I am trying to learn or solve, my preferences, your previous answers, the tone and style we used, any steps or frameworks we created, and everything important that should continue in the next chat. Make it so the new chat can pick up instantly from where we left off without me needing to re explain anything. So we are basically staying in that chat and giving it a prompt to summarize everything in a form of prompt so that we can paste in the new chat and start from where we left off. Okay. And this longer version of prompt is to include everything from current conversation to new conversation. So, for an instance, if you want every detail to be covered, you have dropped a mail to someone yesterday and uh, you want to continue from where you left off in the next chat as well, and you want to give the full context of it in the next chat so that the chat gpt don't miss anything. So for that you can give this prompt. So it says, recap this full conversation in complete detail and generate a deeply structured, comprehensive system prompt that I can paste into a new chat to continue seamlessly from where we left off. When creating this system prompt, summarize all key points from this entire conversation, including context goals, previous questions, examples I share, your responses, insights we discussed, and any progress we made. So it summarizes everything. Okay. And there are other things that we have included that we don't want to miss. And what this prompt will give, this will give a very long prompt with everything included that you had discussed with ChatGPT in that chat window. And this will give you these details, a short version for quick use like this one, and a very long prompt with the complete context. And then also it will give you how to use these above two prompts in the new chat. Okay. And it also says, make sure the system prompt is extremely detailed and captures every important part of the conversation, so the next chat feels like a perfect continuation without me needing to re explain anything. So we need not to explain anything again and again. We will just use this prompt in that chat window, and then it will give us a master system prompt that we can simply paste in a new chat, and we can continue where we left off. Okay. So if you want these exact prompts, join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. And make sure you subscribe for more real life ChatGPT tricks and AI hacks that actually matters. Thank you and bye bye.